Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a 15 amp switch. First, always prioritize your safety by turning off the power at the main circuit breaker before you begin any electrical work. Next, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, wire strippers, and a reliable voltage tester. It's crucial to understand the basic components: the switch itself, the hot wire, the neutral wire, and the ground wire before proceeding. Now let's identify the wires. The hot wire, typically black, carries the live current from your power source. The neutral wire, usually white, completes the circuit back to the electrical panel. For safety, locate the ground wire, which is either green or bare copper. Always ensure your switch is specifically rated for 15 amps, matching the requirements of your circuit to prevent any issues. With the wires identified, it's time to make the connections. Connect the incoming hot wire to one of the switch's terminal screws. This is often marked as common. Then, connect the outgoing hot wire, also known as the load wire, to the other terminal screw on the switch. Finally, connect the ground wire from your circuit to the green ground screw on the switch or the metal box. Double-check that all connections are secure and tight, with no exposed copper. For the final steps, carefully push the wired switch back into the electrical box, making sure no wires are pinched or damaged. Secure the switch firmly to the box using the provided screws. Once that's done, install the faceplate, which covers both the switch and the electrical box, giving it a clean finish. Finally, restore power at the circuit breaker and thoroughly test the switch's functionality to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.